Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placements. This is your reading ngayong August. So, ang tanong, ano ba ang dala sa'yo ng August? Okay, so titingnan natin. Pero syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So again, flex ko sila isa-isa. You can skip the video sa reading. Okay? Kung ayaw nyo na makinig dito. Anyway, so yes, meron tayong mga protection from evil eye. Okay, available ang mga evil eye protections. So meron tayong 4 sample so ng ating evil eye protection. Okay, so ring, necklace, and dalawang sample ng bracelet. Okay, so itong ating bracelet na to, ito yung customized. Okay, kasi pwedeng palagyan ito ng initial po ng magmamayari, and available ito sa red string. Pwede nyo ipa-red string or ipa-black string. Okay, andito naman yung ating garterize. Okay, so yan yung garterize natin na ating evil eye bracelet. Okay, so yan. Okay. And syempre, yung ating evil eye protection na ating necklace. Okay. So, necklace is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and ito po ay unisex. Okay. Same lang din. Okay. Itong ating evil eye protection ring. Yung ring natin is adjustable. Okay po. So, yun po, no? And syempre, yung ating napakaganda. Okay. Yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay. So, meron siyang citrine. So, citrine po is a money magnet. Okay. Hindi lang love ang mamamagnet mo, kundi, yes, hindi lang connection, kundi pera din. Okay? Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa business, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa kung saan man kayo kumikita. Okay? Yan, pwede yan sa trabaho mo. Yes, andyan yung pwede may sign na pwede ka ma-promote. Okay? Kung meron ka mga ganyan, pagdating sa inyong mga alahas, mga kristal nyo, no? Anyways, again, kung lalaki ka at gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, red pouch. Kahit anong red pouch. Okay, basta red. Okay, malinaw yun kahit ano, basta red. So, yun po ha. So, ganyan siya. Ang ganda nito in person. Kung babae ka, pwede mo siyang isuot syempre. This is a charm, okay? Ginawa lang natin na bracelet para pwede nyo isuot. Anyway, yung atin namang granter. So, si granter, again, ang taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly, at least 2 or twice per week. Okay, aside po sa inyong mga minamanifest. Again, this is non-tarnished and hypoallergenic. Okay, ito po ay made to order, unisex po. Okay, so yan. So yung kanyang chain, kung yung tatanungin, ganyan siya, like flat. Okay, maganda yung chain niya. Ito po ay 2 years na sa akin. Okay, so ito naman yung acting cord cutting, yung pangtanggal, pangalis ng mga nagbibigay or nagsasanhi ng alat at MALAS sa inyo. Okay, ito po yung magtatanggal at magsisilbing harang. Okay, ganun lang po. No, so, and again, if you are interested rin sa ating cleansing kit, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. Okay, so, for cleansing po yun, pang-cleanse ng ating mga charms and crystals. So, sabihin lang namin kung papaano ang gagawin kapag po meron na kayo. Anyway, so, Libra, again po sa message po, sa PM, Mag-i-inquire, wag po sa comment section, please. Okay, Libra. Libra, what's for you? Anong dala ng August sa'yo? Libra, 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 Libra placements. Anong dala ng August para sa mga Libra? Our Libra collectives. Okay, so the Chariot in reversed. Some of you pwedeng may mga i-fix sa sasakyan. Some of you, there could be delays pagdating sa travel, if ever. Okay? So, ano to? Judgment. Okay. So, andun yung energy na parang being stuck. Hindi ko alam kung anong tinutukoy dito. Yes, kailangan mo na talaga na paminsan-minsan gamitin na this is you. Okay? This is your energy, the Queen of Swords. So, it's up to you kung ikaw itong magka-cut off ng ties, connections this August. Kasi ang nakuha ko, pwedeng, may mga pabalik-balik, paikot-ikot lang na energy sa'yo eh. Okay? Na kailangan na talagang i-cut. Kailangan nang tapusin or itigil kung ano man. Okay? Okay. So, what else? What else? There's this Cancerian or Scorpio na pwedeng may something or pwedeng may dalang lesson. Okay? Yeah, I don't know kung ano yun. That's so general. So, what else for Libra? The Queen of Cups in reversed. What's with that Queen of Cups in reversed? Ito, specific mga Libra. This August, sinasabi na minsan kailangan mo raw minsan magkaroon ng healthy boundaries. Okay? Kailangan mong humindi or mag-reject. Okay? Hindi naman sa pagiging selfish ito. Okay? Pero yun ang sinasabi dito. I don't know why. See, the Devil in reverse. This is for your own good. Okay? Para rin sa'yo to. Ngayong August, maging madamot ka. Libra. Oo, hindi mo kaya, no? Oh, you're the scale. You're the balance. Kung anong meron sa'yo, dapat meron din yung iba. 'Di ba? Ganun eh. 'Di ba? Laging patas eh. Parang ganyan. So, mahirap. Oo, hindi ko alam. Ganto, ganyan. Ayokong maging unfair. And some of you, you're just overthinking. Okay? Sa kung ano man ang mga pwedeng sasabihin sa'yo ng tao sa mga pag hindi mo. Okay? Enough with that. This is healthy boundaries, the Queen of Cups in reversed. Okay? Sinamahan ng Devil in reverse. So, this is super, super duper healthy pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. The Ten of Swords. I think this is like, you have to reject or sabihin nating humindi. Oo, ngayong August. So, ano pa? Iwasan yung magamit ngayong August. Kahit ano namang buwan. Iwasan yung gamitin. Iwasan yung magpagamit. Okay? That's so specific. What else for Libra? Page of Coins. May naririnig akong kanta. And now we're starting over again. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung ano yon. Okay. So, I think some of you, there could be this energy na parang magbibigay ng panimula. Bagong panimula. Some of you, there could be an offer. Okay. Ngayong August. Yeah. Can we start all over again? Libra. Libra, can we start all over again? It's not the easiest thing to do. Oo, see? May makikipag-ayos ngayong August. I don't know. Could be younger. Earth sign with water. And the Hermit. Virgo energy. Some of you, matagal mo nang hindi nakausap to. Merong magre-resurface ngayong August. Mga Libra. Yeah, may magre-resurface. I don't know. Whose energy is that? Could be a past person. Could be, somebody from your past. Okay? And, Oo, yun lamang mga papyaw na energy. Syempre. Okay, so let's see the person on your mind naman, Libra. So, who is this? Who is this? So, anong meron, anong magiging ganap? Anong kailangan mong malaman ngayong August pagdating dyan sa taong iniisip mo? Okay, so again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Habang ako ay nagsha-shuffle. Okay? So, what's for our Libra placements pagdating sa kanilang person? So, sino ba ito? Libra. I-share mo naman. Okay. The 5 of Wands could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. This person is so dramatic. That's not for all. That is not for all. I'm hearing somebody so dramatic. Could be them. Okay? What's with that 5 of Wands? Para sa taong yon. Some of them, they always causes the drama, problems, arguments, if ever. Laging nakikipag-away. Andun yung physical. Anyway, hindi yun para sa lahat po, ha? So, anong meron sa 5 of Wands? Okay. The Hierophant. The Emperor. Queen of Swords could be your husband, wife. Okay. Some of them, medyo magulo, no? Pwedeng kasal kayo ng taong to. Pwedeng nakikita mo siya somebody na may malaking parte sa buhay mo. Pero some of them, they're very uncontrollable, no? You can't control them. They have sariling decision, okay? So some of you are waiting for them na mag-step up. Pwedeng may gulo kayo or may drama kayo ng taong to sa ngayon, Libra. May away, issue, drama sa inyo ngayon ng taong ito. Pwedeng kasal kayo ng taong to. Or meron mga commitments. Meron kayong mga commitments sa isa't isa ng taong ito. Pero there's this issue. So, anong kailangan mong malaman, Libra? Sa ngayon. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa ngayon? The Page of Cups in reverse. That's immaturity. Some of you, if you're waiting for them to say they're sorry, hindi ko nakikita ang gagawin nila yon. Some of them, masyadong ma-ego at ma-pride. Okay? Yeah. So, si person is a non-committal. Okay? Puro sarili lang ang iniisip nito, inaatupag. Okay? Pagdating dyan sa pakikipag-ayos or pagsasabi ng they're sorry or what, para kang ihila ng bayawak sa lungga. Okay? Okay? Opo. So, andun yung energy ng runner and chaser sa inyong dalawa sa ngayon. Okay? I think this person, itong person mo ngayon, no? Nakuha ko, they're like running and you're the one who's chasing them. Right now. As in right now. Yeah. You're chasing them. Nakikipag-ayos ka ba? Ikaw ba yung parang gumugusto na ayusin kung anong drama meron? Kasi may drama dito. Yung person may isa ay non-committal. Iniisip lang nila ngayon kung anong para sa kanila, kung anong mas maganda para sa kanila. Very mature sa part na yon. They are. So, it's like, gustong-gusto ng taong to na hinahabol mo siya. Some of you, you're feeding a monster. You fed a monster. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw rin mismo ang gumawa nito sa kanya. I'm not blaming you. Some of you could be pwedeng ganun nga ang ginawa. Okay? Siyempre, nandun yung love, nandun yung care, pero sumobra. Too much love will kill you. Yes. Oo, 'di ba? Anyway, let's see. What is their next action towards you this August? Will they reach out? Will they step up? Will they do kung anong mga kailangan gawin sa connection nyo na ite? Libra, what is your next action? The King of Swords. Andun yung pagmamatapang nito. Anyway. So, anong meron sa King of Swords? That is the truth. Okay? That's the, sabihin nating, genuine side. Okay, let's see. Anong meron sa King of Swords? The Star. Mahirap lang dito sa King of Swords. Utak ang nagana dyan. No emotions involved. Their next action is just to sit down, wait, okay, and wait for you to take action. Ikaw yung magbabaw sa kanya. Like that. Can you see it? Hindi daw sila magbe-bend sa'yo. Libra. And they knew it. Like, I don't know kung ilang beses na itong nangyari, and I think paulit-ulit to. Okay? Paulit-ulit. Alam mo, advice ko sa'yo, Libra, this is the right time for you to step back. Okay? Step back. Four of Wands. Some of you, talagang gusto mo pa rin ito. Syempre, pwedeng may anak kayo, okay? Meron kayong mga, I don't know, like conjugal properties, mga ganyan commitments, okay? Pero I think, yeah, this person is focus lang sa sarili niya sa ngayon. Some of you, iba rito naririnig ko, co-parenting. Pero, somebody is wanting pa rin na ma-fix, okay, yung relationship. So, paano yun? Okay? Itong taong to, focus siya sa pagiging single niya. What is the potential outcome this August for you, Libra? Potential outcome. Yeah, the Justice Universe. So, hindi pa rin makukuha ang Justicia. This is you. Some of you. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, diba kanina, step back? Ito yun. This is you, the Justice. Minsan, hindi mo kailangan maging patas. Okay? Kasi iba sa inyo pwedeng iniisip, okay, gagawin ko to para gawin niya din sa akin. Kasi ganun yung mindset ng iba sa inyo. Pero hindi naman sila ganun. Okay, this is the right time for you to step back. Step back. Okay? Why? Why the Justice in reversed? Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. So, still, the issue is there. I don't know kung meron ditong juggler. Okay, somebody still, sabihin nating having doubts, no? Pagdating sa ganito. Kasi, meron po kaming mga anak. Anong mangyayari? Anong pong mangyayari sa amin? Kung kami po ay kawawa naman po kasi, or ganito, ganyan, whatsoever. Practicality nowadays. Mahirap man, nakakaiyak man. Oo. Hindi ko alam martir ka ba? So, di ba, bayani ka ba? Ano bang meron? The Queen of Pentacles Universe, sa ngayon, hindi available, or dapat hindi ka na lang din maging available. Okay, dito sa connection na to, kasi this is not fair. Okay? Walang fairness dito sa connection. Ikaw lang naghahabol dito. This is the runner and chaser energy. Runner and chaser reading. Anyway, mautak yung person mo. Okay, alam niya na ikaw yung magbe-bend pagdating sa kanya. Yeah. So, wala silang gagawin kundi maghintay sa'yo. Maghintay sa kung ano man ang gagawin mo pagdating sa situation nyo. Alam niya yun. Well, logic yung pinapagana ng tao, not emotion. I don't know. Okay, so iba't iba naman ang kwento nyo. Hindi naman ni isa lang ang nire-read ko dito, di ba? Anyway, so let's see. Aries through Pisces. Medyo drain yung energy. Nade-drain ka na ba, Libra? Kasi nade-drain ako ngayon. Oo, so Aries through Pisces. Aries, okay. Still the drama. Taurus, ayaw na nila na ma-stuck. Gemini, they want something good. Okay, in general. Cancer, parang nakaka-release na si Cancer pagdating sa cycle nyo. Leo, wanting na bumalik. Okay? Pero ang nakikita kong magiging cause is just drama. Okay? Virgo, they're thinking of you. They are thinking of you. Libra, detached. I'm hearing this Libra is detaching. Scorpio, being impatient. There's imbalance here na kailangan i-fix with a Scorpio. I don't know, some of them is too needy. Sagittarius, they want commitments, long-term connection with you. Capricorn, there's injustice here, imbalance. Somebody is, may nakokonsensya na Capricorn. Aquarius, they're happy. Okay? Some of them parang nakakausad-usad na. Nagiging maganda yung energy ng aqua na to. Okay? Or I think some of you could get an answer from them or a good news from them, something like that. Feeling drawn. Some of you. Okay? May naririnig akong ganon. So, Pisces, I'm hearing a disconnection. Okay? A disconnection. Somebody is still hiding. Somebody is still in pain. Blaming energy coming from this Pisces. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay, again, thank you. Goodbye.